This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's open-end shelf. Before you begin, ensure you have all the pieces shown here. Position one of the shelf sides in front of you with the pre-drilled holes facing up. Slot either the top or bottom piece into the holes on one end of the shelf side. Use a rubber mallet to lightly tap the top or bottom into place. Next, insert the internal shelves, curved edge facing out, into the next two sets of pre-drilled holes and gently use a rubber mallet to make the pieces flush. Place the remaining top or bottom piece on the available end of the shelf side and again tap into place. Turn the assembled pieces so the internal shelves face down on your workstation. Place the included prepackaged screws into the pre-drilled holes and lightly tap with a rubber mallet to prepare for drilling. It is a good idea at this point to make sure the top, bottom, and internal shelves are still flush with the shelf side and all edges and corners are even. Once checked, use a drill to secure the screws. Position the assembled unit so the internal shelves curve toward you and use the pre-drilled holes to place the remaining shelf side. Now, reposition the assembled shelf so the most recently selected shelf side is facing up and the other side is closest to you. Use a rubber mallet to fix the shelf side into place so it is flush with the rest of the assembled unit, then secure only one end of this side with a drill and drywall screws. This may cause the side's opposite end to lift, so use a rubber mallet to resecure it to the rest of the assembled shelf. Once the side is again flush and aligned with the existing unit, use a drill and drywall screws to secure. Lightly tap the middle of the shelf side that is facing up with a rubber mallet to ensure the internal shelves remain flush. Then place pre-packaged screws into the pre-drilled holes in the center of the shelf side and secure with the drill. It is important to pay attention to the previously fitted screws, as it may be necessary to re-drill those to completely fix them in place. Finally, place pre-packaged screws into the pre-drilled holes along the bottom of the most recently selected shelf side and use a drill to finish securing it to the rest of the unit. Congratulations! Your Innovation Cabinetry open-end shelf is ready to install.